I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've accidentally locked your Charles Schwab card, don't you worry, unlocking it is straightforward. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Charles Schwab app. Launch the Charles Schwab mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, tap on the Account tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Find Card Management. Scroll down to find the Card Management section. This is where you can manage your debit and credit cards. Step 4. Unlock your card. In the Card Management section, locate the card you want to unlock. Tap on it, and you should see an option to unlock card. Select this option. Step 5. Confirm the action. After tapping Unlock Card, you may need to confirm your choice. Follow any prompts that appear on the screen to finalize the unlocking process. Remember, if you have trouble finding the Card Management section, check that your app is updated to the latest version. It can sometimes be hidden in older versions. I hope this helps you get back to using your card without any hassle.